Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. You are welcome to this tutorial, your phone web design tutorial. So we are going to continue from where we stopped. The last class we talked about how to create pages and how to add pages to your website. So here we are going to look at how to install theme. You can see that the look of the site is very awkward, so we're going to install a theme on the site. There's two kind of theme. There is a normal free theme and there is a pro theme. There is a theme that you install, you'll be able to bring in a dummy content, in the sense that you will just install everything. The full website will be installed. All you need to do is to just edit. Within 10 minutes you are done with your website. It's very easy. Now this thing I'm showing you now, a lot of people will not want you to know because it's going to spoil business for them. You understand? So take it as a privilege to be here. So with this, with your phone, you can actually do a lot, which I'm unfolding. So that is that. Let's kickstart. As usual, we go straight to our menu here, which is our three icon. If you are using a laptop, have it in mind that this is what you're still going to see. Okay, so alright, you're going to look for appearance. Okay, you can see theme, click on theme. Alright, 2020 2023. Okay, this is the new theme that we are using. You can see it said customize. This is one we are currently using. The theme we are using is currently this particular one we are seeing here. Alright, so I don't like it, so just look for another. There are different themes, 2024, 2014. Every year they bring out different themes. These are free themes. If you don't like that one, you can search for another. You can click on add new. You can upload your theme in case you have your own theme. Maybe you have your paid theme, a premium theme already. You can upload it from here. There are some expensive theme too. So if you don't have, you are going to look for a free theme. Now we have a lot of free themes here. Sorry, I just clicked that mistakenly. Alright, these are Hello Elementor. Alright, so I think Astra, I like this one. So I'll click on this. Then I'll click on install. Then I'll click on activate. Okay, this is our theme, and now we can go ahead and customize it. Let me just show you how to do that. Before that, let me show you our website. Let's see the difference, if it has any effect on our site. You can see the difference now. This one is a little bit better. Tutorial word. Alright, this is our home page. This is our contact us page, and this is our about us page. You can see that this one is better. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's try to set up our theme. If there's anything we need to do, so I'll just teach you what to do here. So we'll go straight to appearance, click on theme. Either you click on theme, it will take you back to that place, or you click on customize from here direct. So we are going to customize our theme direct from here. just wait for it to load. I think I have a bad network. All right, okay. Let's talk about this. This is your site. You have your site identity. This talk about the name of your site. When nobody click your site, what it shows the name of your site, that's the site identity. This is the menu. This is the okay. All right. I guess it's still loading. I have a very bad network here. All right. So everything has loaded now. So this is your theme. You can customize it the way you want. So the site identity, as I said, let me click on site identity. So here we can put our site icon. Here we can put our site logo. Okay. I mean our site title and logo. The network is very bad. All right. All right, this is my site title. This tutorial, or let me call it test. So you can change your site from here. Let me call it test site. Now hit on publish. So you hit on publish. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to exit this. I've already changed the text of my site, the title of my site. So I'll go back. We're going to work on that later when we are almost done with the site. So we'll come back to that later on customization. So as you can see, this is how you install your theme. These are free themes that come with WordPress. You can just pick anyone you like and install. So right now we're going to go straight to designing our site proper. We already have the pages that we need now. Before I go, there is a particular page that your site that need to carry the home of your site. So what you do is, let's go back to dashboard. Welcome to tools. Okay, click on general. This is site title, tagline. Okay, if you are creating a website whereby people will have to register, you need to click on this. Anyone can register. If you don't do this on a WordPress site, if you didn't highlight this on your WordPress site, it means that nobody can register on that website. So it's very important. New user as a subscriber. So make sure you set that just in case your site need to register people. So we're going to go back. There's something I'm looking for. Menu, this is other settings. So click on writing just to set up the page. Okay. So this is a URL of your site. Oh, I mean the hosting provider, this is their URL. So this is your mail server. If you want to create a custom email, this is where you put it. Alright, this part is not really important. There's something I'm looking for actually. Because I want to set up our home page. Alright, this is what I'm looking for. So pardon me for what I've been doing. This is what I'm actually looking for. This is your home page. This is your home page display. Now it shows your latest posts. But now I want you to display a static page. Your home page is supposed to display a static page. So when they click on a link to your website, to take them directly to your home page. So you're going to set up the home page. So you click on that, click on home. So I'm going to go. Just come here and save changes. So once you click on your website, if you check our website now, it will take you direct to your home page. Before it took us to a battles page, you can see. Before it took us to a battles page, but now it's in home page. This is the home of the website. So this is what we are going to build. We are going to first of all build this place. Then we set up our about us. Then this contact us. Alright, so see you in my next class.